If I ask you what the color of Earth is, you would say blue because most of our planet is covered by water. The blue color of the oceans and the green color from chlorophyll in plants are the most dominant colors on Earth today. However, there is a possibility that in the early stages of its existence, Earth may have appeared purple. The beginning period of Earth's formation is called the Hadean Eon. The name comes from Hades, meaning the underworld or hell, because the entire planet was extremely hot and resembled a hellish environment. Later, as Earth cooled, water began to appear and accumulate on the planet. There are many theories about how life first appeared on Earth, but we can explore that in another video. For now, the earliest known life forms on our planet were archaea, which are single-celled organisms. To obtain energy, these organisms absorbed green light, which was the most dominant part of sunlight, and reflected or emitted red and blue light. Since red and blue combined to create purple, these microorganisms appeared purple in color. During that time, archaea were among the most abundant life forms on Earth, so purple-colored microorganisms may have been widespread across the planet, making Earth appear much more purple than it does today. And you might wonder, why isn't Earth purple today? Well, during the time when archaea dominated the planet, there was virtually no oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. These organisms used sunlight for energy and released methane instead of oxygen. So when did this change? It changed when chlorophyll-based photosynthesis began to evolve. While the archaea were reflecting red and blue light, other emerging life forms developed a way to absorb sunlight and produce oxygen as a byproduct. These organisms also absorbed carbon from the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. Since there were no humans or other large oxygen-consuming organisms at that time, the amount of oxygen in Earth's atmosphere increased dramatically. This rise in oxygen had a major impact on many of the purple-colored organisms, such as some archaea, because oxygen was toxic to them. As a result, many of these organisms declined or disappeared. Meanwhile, the green, chlorophyll-containing organisms began to spread across the planet and gradually came to dominate Earth. Archaea did not completely disappear from Earth. They evolved and still exist today. However, they are mostly found in extreme environments where humans cannot survive, such as deep-sea vents, highly acidic waters, and other harsh habitats. The oxygen that helps us live today was once deadly to many forms of life. This reminds us that life can adapt in very different ways. The aliens we search for in the universe might not be anything like us. They could be based on oxygen, methane, hydrogen, or some entirely different chemistry that we have not even imagined yet.